Hey guys, we're gonna continue with body care. I have new things that I have been trying, and as I keep trying and testing, I will be showing you guys more products, and a lot of them are going to be staples and repetitive unless they stop working for whatever reason. Then I'll be changing them out, but you know, I'll be updating you guys as I go. So I try a lot of products, so just bear with me. We do makeup, beauty, skincare, lifestyle, fashion. We try to do everything. So yeah, so follow me on all my platforms, because I do provide different content on different platforms, because that's how it works, that's how it makes sense, as I've noticed. So my blog link is down below, so without further ado, let's get started. All right guys, so quickly I'm going to try to go fast. So first I'm gonna do hygiene before I get into the body care. I've been really liking this mouthwash. They have different like tastes, they have different flavors, and I've tried almost all of them. I think I've tried all of them, and I just like it because it has no alcohol and things like that. So it's like, you know, as clean as they can get. So I really like it. It's expensive, but you know, if you want to try it, the aesthetics is cute or whatever. I don't have bad breath, but I do like to do this to refresh as I go, as I eat. Every time I eat, I like to rinse my mouth. So this is definitely really a good thing to add to your body care, you know, hygiene routine, you know, just saying. You don't need it, but you can do it. Next thing in terms of hygiene, I don't know what happened, but Target was clearancing these out. Is the Honey Pot company. I heard there was something going on with them in the social media world, as always, and I was like, why are you on sale, like a black owned brand? I was like, why are you on sale, black owned brand? We ain't doing that, especially it was during Black History Month. I was like, oh no. So I cleared out the area where they had all these on sale. I took them all. I have a post showing you guys how I was shopping and pictures. It was fun. Yeah, I like this because it says it's herbal infused. It has wings, no chlorine, no pesticides, no fragrances, and it's plant-based feminine care. It's quite expensive, but hey, like, I get it. I do business, so I understand. This is the super, this is the regular. And guys, what I really thought was scary about this is because, like, when I put this on, guys, I almost cried because it started like warming up, and I guess that's the plant-based herbal infused kind of aspect of it, which I didn't know because I hadn't watched reviews. So I was scared. I thought I had a reaction. I was like, maybe they put it on sale because it was getting bad, like there's so many bad things. I thought I was gonna lose my uterus and have an infection and have cancer. I was freaking out, but it was normal. And I was like, because at the same time it was really soothing and relaxing with the cramps. So if you really have bad cramps, I think you will really like this. Like, it's like a massage. I know it's kind of crazy and too much like TMI, but it's really what it is. Like, if you have bad cramps, you will really love it. It's so relaxing as it warms up. So each time you take out one and put it on, just be aware that you will experience that, and it's normal, guys. So yeah, I love these. The size is perfect actually, so you don't feel too bulky down there, and it holds a lot too. So I really like it. It's so nice and sleek. I'm just gonna show you guys quickly so you guys can kind of see more. Like, it's just, I just love everything about it, guys. It's just, the experience is very different, okay? Especially because of that warming sensation. Just that alone is just very interesting, and it fits perfectly on your undergarment. You're not gonna feel like you have, like, you know, extra parts of the pad sticking onto your skin and things like that. I feel like it's just very well measured. So there you go. With that, thing is the raw sugar scrub with the flavor lemon sugar right here. Okay, you guys know I love scrubs. I've tried a lot of them, and this is empty. I really like this, guys, because this is the first scrub that I really tried that actually leaves your skin looking glowy, like you put some kind of oil or shimmery lotion on. Like, your skin looks hydrated and like very healthy and plumped. So I really like that. You know, it really does nourish and exfoliate and renew, like it says, on a small scale. Like, you don't, like most scrubs, you kind of feel like it's exfoliating, so it's gonna dry you out, so you gotta go in with lotion. I feel like with this, I kind of don't even have to go in with lotion for that day. Like, it's really glowy. Like, I don't know, it was interesting, and it smells good. So I was like, yeah, sign me up, Target. This is really good. and I finish it out and I would repurchase. One thing I did realize is that it does leave a lot of residue on your exfoliating glove, so that's just the gross part about it. So you might have to wash your glove each time you use it, so buy a couple of them, but you should be good. It's really good. Next thing I want to talk about is KERNEL oil. This is something that I grew up with in Africa, in Cameroon, and we have the black or the white version. This is a really versatile product. You can use it all over the body and the hair. It's almost like shea butter, but you know, it has a different scent to it, and I really like it. I really want you guys to try it, and I use this a lot. It really helps heal a lot of things. Like if you have a lot of like issues on your skin, it does a lot at once. It solves a lot of skin concerns at once, and it's very natural and organic, and I know a lot of people like that. So definitely try KERNEL oil. In Cameroon, if you're Cameroonian, we call it mianga noir or mianga blanc, meaning like black or white version of the KERNEL oil. It's really like really nice. I like it because it reminds me of back home, and it has that nice scent that comforts me, and they even use this on kids. That's how good it is. So if you like shea butter, you might like this as well. So there you go. I've been trying this Paula'S Choice. I've really been trying a lot of Paula'S Choice skincare for my body as well as my face. These are body treatments. So this one is, so I got the Paula'S Choice Weightless Body Treatment 2% BHA with salicylic acid and antioxidants. It says it's for all skin types, and I had like discounts. This one is finished, and always shop when there's a sale. Guys, the thing with this is like good if you have acne prone skin on your body, right? So I don't really need this, so that's really good for that. If you really have like issues on your skin related to acne, this will really help you, I think. But it's expensive, so I think overall long term it will be a lot. But if you're looking for that, this is what this is. One thing I would repurchase, I think, is the Skin Revealing Body Lotion 10% AHA with glycolic acid and antioxidants, because I'm looking to exfoliate, rejuvenate, and to smooth, hydrate, as well as improve texture and tone. So this one works more for me because of the glycolic acid aspect. You guys already know it helps with, you know, improving and brightening skin tones and things like that. So this one I really think I would buy again because of, you know, the properties. But this one, if you're having acne prone skin, I think you would like this. So I really like Paula'S Choice products. I've really been seeing a change if you're using it consistently. Even immediately, I've seen it on my skin, and I'll talk about that in a future video, but they're really good. So just know what you're looking for. So there you go. Last two products are these I think are going to be game changers for me, especially if you're having, like, you know, again, texture and scars on your skin, and you're looking to accelerate the cell turnover on your skin to really rejuvenate that skin and bring out the newer layer. Instead of like bleaching and using hydroquinone and things like that in your skincare, I mean, you can use retinol. And I'm noticing like brands are really starting to really invest in like body care, skincare. So like now, like Josie Maran, I think that's Sephora, I've seen it trending, has like a body butter with retinol in it. And before I even saw that, like I had bought this like a couple of months back. This is the Paula'S Choice Skin Smoothing Retinol Treatment. Like I got two of them, and it's very lightweight, absorbs very fast on the skin. Again, very pricey, but retinols work. So if you're looking for that change in your skin, it's worth the investment. I do have a dupe for this as well, and it's gonna be by The Ordinary. Y'all already know I actually got two, always out of stock. It took me forever to get this. This is the Retinol Pro Repair Body Oil for scars, stretch marks, and daily care. So again, these will be great for those of you who are looking to really improve your skin, your stretch marks, your scars, your textures. Like, these are amazing, guys. This is an oil version, so I always have these in stock, and I like the packaging. And this one is like a lotion type. Okay, this one is easier to find, and that's how that is. I love the packaging as well, and I'm really incorporating, like, I'm gonna buy the body butter one from Josie Maran when I have a chance, and I'm also gonna get the Olay body wash that just came out with retinol in it, because I'm really about my skincare like that. So like, and I always exfoliate with my exfoliating gloves. That's how my skin has been improving. So the retinol, I'm yet to see results because I've stopped, but I'll keep you guys updated. But that is it for my skincare products, y'all. Let me know if I helped you guys. guys at all. I'll have more videos coming up. If you have any other feedback, I would love it. Otherwise, don't forget to praise God. Stay safe. Mwah. Ciao guys. Bye. God bless.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress. I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can.